Hey guys, I hope you are having fun and I know most of you are scared just because of your results. But don't worry guys, you will get good marks. And if you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Simran and I hope you find my content amusing enough considering subscribing. I thought it's a result month going on, so why not to make a video on working towards your dream. I am not a motivational guru and all, it's just my personal opinion and my seniors experience. And here I have 7 points with me which you should remember while working towards your dream. So let's get started. Know what you can and what you can't. It's really very important to know your ability and choosing your perfect dream. I'll give you one best example, which is I want to be an actor but I don't know how to act. It's clear that I won't get any success in this field. This is how important it is to know your ability and to work on your perfect dream. It's okay to not to have your plans. People, those who are having their future plans are really very good to go. But those who don't have, what about them? First, let me tell you, everything has its own pros and cons, right? If you don't have your future plans, you have space for surprises. You will be happy with your success because you didn't plan for that, but it just came with the flow you were going on. Look, there are two people in the forest and they are supposed to reach to the center of the forest. Now the person with the plan will reach to the center of the forest with no time. But the person who doesn't have plan, that person have surprises on the way. That person may end up going towards the lake and have some water, or may encounter adventure on the way and then reach his goal. I personally don't know where I'll be in next 2 to 3 years with my YouTube journey. And I really don't want to know that because I want my success to be a surprise for me. Failure is necessary. If you fail, you will come to know where you are lacking. You will gain different experiences. And hence it will not be your complete failure. I have personally made up my mind if I fail in my YouTube journey, it will not be my complete failure because I would have improved my speaking skills, which is very important in today's arena. Similarly, talking about fear, it's good to have fear. It will help you grow more hardworking and stronger. I fear that if I wake up in the morning and there is no one to watch my videos, and this fear helps me to become more hardworking and it motivates me to manage my studies and my YouTube channel. In conclusion, it's really very good to have fear and you should have fear of something or the other. Criticism. Look, there are two types of criticism. One is positive criticism. It will help you grow more stronger and it will help you a lot to improve for your betterment. And another one is negative criticism. It will demotivate you. Now you always have to look up towards the positive criticism and work on it. You will agree that every person has its own point of view, right? If you get a positive feedback or a positive criticism, then work on it. Look why and where you are lacking in their point of view. I personally always ask my viewers, my audience, why and where I'm lacking in their point of view so that I can improve for my betterment and I can give you a really good content. Risk taking. Here you know what you want to do in your life and you know that there are high chances of losing your friends for some time. You won't be able to give time to them or you may have to leave your family. There are situations where you have to leave your family and work on your dreams. But still you want to do that. Why? Because to achieve something better. People who go for adventurous trek or bike riding, they know how risky is it for their life. But still they do that. Why? Because their dream is all worth it. To live with their passion, that is what risk taking. purpose in your life is most important for doing anything in your life. There are many students who take up their stream just because their parents ask them to do. Or my friend is going for that stream, so I'll also go for that. That is totally wrong. Why you wanna do any particular thing in your life? And remember, whatever you are gonna do should be all worth it, because at the end of the day, you may have to leave your friends for some time. Or you may have to leave your house and work on your dream. Or you may have to work all day and night. So always remember that nothing comes free. You have to fight for that. You have to work on that. You have to work really hard to achieve it, that what it is. Your dream should be all worth this 5-7 points. I wish all the very best to those who all are watching my video for their future, and I hope you will get all your deserving success in your life. And now comes the shout out. So shout out for this video goes to Anup, Rutik and Archana aunty. Thank you so much for liking my videos, for subscribing to my channel and watching my videos. And if you want me to give shout out to you, for that you need to like my videos, subscribe to my channel and comment down below done. And guys, you know the rest of the thrill. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up. Share your thoughts about this video in the comments and share this video with all your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.